What's up, YouTube? What is up? I am the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for stopping by this channel and for watching this video. And always, I invite people to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like the video, comment on the video, and share it with everyone you know. This helps you get the front row seat, first in line, hot leads, hot info first before anybody else about ways to make money online. And if that is something you want to do, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video, comment on the video, and share it with everyone you know. And this video is one you will want to share, because today I'm going to be sharing with you six websites that you can use for free to start a t-shirt selling business. Okay, so these 6 websites are hot. They bring you quality products, quality prints, and so forth. And not only for t-shirts, but you can do mugs, stickers, socks, hoodies, joggers, sweatpants, all that stuff. Okay, most companies that allow you to print shirts also include in the bundle other things that you can print on as well. And these 6 companies are going to help you because they are very free to use. You don't need to pay any monthly fees. You don't need to pay anything like that. Very free, very free. There's no hidden gimmicks, nothing like that. Free. You just need to create an account. Alright, so the first site I'm going to share with you, and I'm going to go through these pretty quickly, is Redbubble. Redbubble is pretty big. It's one of those companies that people go to for reliable, safe, dependable shipping. Turnaround time is good. Okay, as you can see, they allow you to print on pillows. They print stickers, t-shirts. Okay, you can purchase items from here as well, from other creators. There's phone cases, masks, accessories, stationery, gifts. Alright, you could do pictures that you can frame. There's computer bags or pouches to keep your laptops in. There's so many designs. There's people creating designs of so many cool things. So if you're a graphic artist, you could even sell your designs on here. Okay, so that's Teespring, Teespring. Okay, sorry, my bad, Redbubble. I was first talking about Redbubble. Redbubble, Redbubble. So what we just saw is actually Redbubble. Redbubble. Okay? Okay. The next company we're going to look at is TeePublic. Okay? TeePublic. TeePublic. And you can browse all their products. Okay, there's adult apparel, t-shirts, tank tops, hoodies, crew neck sweatshirts, long sleeve t-shirts, baseball t-shirts, kids apparel, kids t-shirts, kids hoodies, kids long sleeve tees, onesies, masks, home goods, wall art, notebooks, mugs, pillows, totes, tapes, tapestries, pins, cases and stickers, phone cases, laptop cases, stickers, magnets. Okay, so that's TeePublic, TeePublic. Alright, okay, so just a quick look at TeePublic. Okay, the next one is called Society 6. Okay, Society 6, and they do a whole lot of things. As you can see, there's like picnic spreads, or is this a yoga mat? I'm not sure, but they do a whole range of things. Wall arts, home decor, okay, furniture, benches, bar stools, counter stools, side tables, bed and bath, comforters, duvet covers, pillow shams, shower curtains, bath mats, tabletop, coffee mugs, travel mugs, water bottles, wine chillers, cutting boards, surveying trays, coasters, office, and you can see the menu there. You could even do calendars on here, wall calendars and planners. Tech, so cases, phone cases, laptop sleeves, apparel and bags. See that? All these wonderful things. Outdoor and lifestyle, yoga mats, yoga towels, travel mugs, picnic blankets, which is what these are in the pic. And I thought they were yoga mats, but they're picnic blankets, given that there's a waiter or server there, so they're probably picnic blankets. You can do collaborations including Disney, Mickey Mouse stuff, Star Wars, The Mandalorian, and collections. Here they are. Society 6, guys. Free to sign up, free to host your products, free to get started. Okay, and if you've been following my videos, you can use social media to promote these things for free and make money. Okay, you can use these things for free and make money. I mean, promote them for free using social media and make money. Alright, now the next site that you can use to start your t-shirt business for free is called Teespring. I accidentally said Teespring earlier, but Teespring is the next. Commerce, not complicated, and they do make it simple. I actually have a store with Teespring, and it really is easy, and they do have a wide variety of products to print on. So if you're looking to start a print on demand or t-shirt business, Teespring is a recommended pick. It is used by a lot of big t-shirt companies. Very easy to use, as you can see. Joggers, as a creator, you can sell your design your own merch, official Queen merch, blah blah blah. Phone cases, featured creators, leggings. Want to place an order of 100 units, so they do wholesale selling. So that's Teespring, another site to start a t-shirt business for free. Okay, what's this? Number 5 is called Teechip. Teechip. Okay? Teechip. Similar to the rest, really good quality materials for your shirts, for your products. You can do shirts, face masks, stickers, home decor, posters, phone cases. Okay? Alright? Okay? Birthday shirts, birth month shirts, Cancer month, Gemini month, fitness gifts, so drawstring bags, mats, coffee mugs, workout shirts. So that's Teechip, Teechip. The main categories: men, women, youth and baby, home and living, accessories, and jewelry. Okay? And number 6 is called Zazzle. Alright? Zazzle. Zazzle or Zazzle, depending on where you're from. Okay? Free to start your own business. So you have no excuse. You can create awesome designs. A lot of you may not necessarily be good at drawing, but maybe you can put patterns and shapes together, create unique designs, put them on a shirt. People are always looking for hip, funky, fresh designs to wear to express their feelings. It could be short quotes or short punch lines, witty remarks. Okay? It doesn't have to be the most elaborate thing. This guy's shirt says "I love sushi." That's it. People are paying $14, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, $20 for a t-shirt. Alright? And the cost to you is usually between $4 and $7. You sell it for $14, you get a $10 profit. You sell a lot of them, you get a lot more money. Okay? So that's it. And I know I said 6 sites. So we did, let's review, we did Redbubble, that's one. The second we did was T Public. The third was Society 6. The fourth, Teespring. Fifth, T-Chip. And the sixth was Zazzle. And I'm going to do a bonus. I'll make it number 7. And the number 7 site is actually called Cafe Press. Alright? CAFEPRESS.com. Cafe Press. Okay? Simple. You could do tote bags, water bottles, teas, beach towels, snapbacks, mugs, beer mugs, aprons for grilling, flip-flops. Cool. So if you're looking for a very simple and easy way to get your products launched, to start from scratch with very minimum or minimal cost to you, very little overhead, Cafe Press and all the other 6 sites. So that's 6 sites with a bonus thrown in there for you, because I want you guys to be successful no matter what. And if you have no money, that's okay. There are ways to do it for free. Create designs, put them on a shirt, copy the link, post it on your social media, so you don't need to pay for ads or ad spend or anything like that. People are always looking for cute, witty stuff, just simple, creative shirts that express their love for things or their interest for things or just how they feel inside. So don't think you can't be a business owner. You can, and you should. Okay? So that's it from me, the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks for watching, and if you do appreciate and like the content in this video, just show some love, hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like the video, comment on it, and share for more ways to earn money online. When you earn the money you want, you can do the things you want to do without worrying about the money. Life was meant to be lived, and money is not something you should be worrying about. So do this. Find a way to make money online so that you can focus on living your life. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know how your business is going. Peace. Stay safe. See you soon. I'm out.